Welcome back to the Green Beauty Collective. Today we are going to jump right into this video. We are talking about the Korean skincare trend of glass skin. Something that's really popular in the beauty industry right now is actually having our skin really shine through our makeup rather than piling on a mask of foundation or using a ton of powders or mattifying products to really create a mask. We want our skin to look glowing and healthy, and the way that we can achieve that is through skincare. And although we don't personally recommend a 10-step skincare routine like K-beauty, so beauty from Korea, a lot of women in Korea are using up to 10 products day and night for their skincare routine. We definitely can simplify it a little bit more, but there are a few products that really stand out for us for achieving this glass skin look. So the first step to this glass skin look is always going to be exfoliation. So sloughing off any dead skin that's sitting on the surface, helping that cell turnover, especially as we are aging, taking down any rough, dry, textured skin, and also brightening the skin. So we have a few different options, and I wanted to stick with the K-beauty, so the Korean beauty practices, with a clay cleanser. And so traditionally a lot of K-beauty cleansing powders are made with a rice powder because it's really brightening for the skin. But the Wyld Botanicals Nootka Rose Cleansing Clay has white clay, oat kernel meal. It also has Rasul clay for helping absorb any additional oils. And it also has a ground up adzuki bean powder for giving it that really nice, light exfoliating texture. Another option for a lighter, more gentle exfoliation would be a Konjac sponge. And so this sponge is from Wyld. It has a really hard texture before you wet it under water. So what you want to do is soak this sponge, have it soak up all of that water, and it is going to become more of like a gummy, gooey texture. And you can put your cleanser on there, or you can simply exfoliate your skin just with that cleansing sponge. And the last exfoliant I would like to highlight is the Amaze exfoliating gel from Viva. And this gel sits right on the surface of the skin and breaks down that first dead layer of skin by releasing the protein bond. And so what you'll notice when you're doing this is little bits of skin are actually going to start surfacing, and you will see it sloughing off. Some people find this kind of gross, but we find it kind of exciting because you can actually see the product working. So after your skin has been exfoliated, the next step that you want to do is give it some extra moisture. And so we like to do that in a few steps. We recommend the Wyld Botanicals Nootka Rose Toner, and this is also going to come in handy for the K-beauty glass skin look because we are going to be dampening a sponge and layering this toner on as we build our makeup up as well. But you can give this a quick spray just to hydrate the skin, and then add your Viva or any hyaluronic toner on top of that. So hyaluronic acid helps hold moisture in the skin. It also helps draw moisture into the skin. And so adding this to your skincare routine is really gonna boost your moisture, and it's also gonna help plump and firm the skin. And the last skincare product I wanna talk about is the Wild Rose and Neroli face cream from Wyld Botanicals. For this glass skin look, because we are building maybe more products than you're used to, we want to go with a moisturizer that's actually quite light and dewy and nourishing. And we're going to be mixing something special into this moisturizer in the next step. So I'm taking the Elate Universal Cream in Lucent, and I'm going to mix this in with the Wyld Botanicals cream. And what this is going to do is it's going to create a bit of iridescence within the cream, and that's what's actually creating this glass skin look. But it's not too over the top, so it's extremely wearable, and you can build your foundation right up over it, or you can wear it alone just as an iridescent moisturizer. So as you can see on the close-up of my skin, you can see a little bit of that universal cream peeking through and giving the skin a really nice, soft, iridescent glow. So the next step is to spray down your little puff with some of the toner. And now I'm just really lightly pressing my Sappho foundation into the skin. And the technique of pressing the foundation into the skin with this little puff is to get the foundation as blended and as skin-like as possible by pressing it right into the pores. As a final touch, I added the Lucent Universal Cream just on the highlight points of my face, so on the top of the cheekbone, underneath the eyebrow, and right into the corner of the eye. And this is how you can achieve a glass skin look. So if you're interested in any of the products that we mentioned in this video, you can find all of the products in the description bar below, and they can be purchased online at thegreenbeautycollective.com. If you would like to subscribe to our channel to keep seeing these natural makeup and skincare videos, please subscribe by clicking on the box right here.